Hey guys, welcome back again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve CapCut slow motion not working. So if your CapCut smooth slow motion or the optical flow looking jerky, leggy, or simply not applying correctly, don't let that slow ruin your viral edits. This is how you can fix it. So first, you need to do simple methods. That is by going to the menu here, go to the settings, and here you will see the cache. As you guys can see, I have a pretty big cache file, so you need to click on this button here. But you need to close the project first. So let's go to the home page of CapCut and go to the settings again. And here on the drums here, you can just tap on this one to clear the cache file. Okay, so CapCut removing the cache file. So this will clear bugs and restore full functionality. And you can just reopen the project again and use the smooth swallow feature again. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give a like, leave a comment, and also click on the next. Bye.